Guys, YouTube just launched another massive and impressive, exciting update. And you know, the beautiful thing about this update is that it is not exclusive to the monetized account. Everybody, every YouTuber can participate in this amazing, exciting news that YouTube just launched. How many of you have seen this? How many of you saw this notice? I got it and I went to my YouTube studio to go and check it, and it was there. So I read through it, and in fact the content of this message is exciting. Like, there is something there for everyone, whether you are a streamer or you are an artist or you are a monetized account. There is something there for every single person. And hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're great and you're winning your world. This is Amugos Concept, and I'm back with another mind-blowing information. If today is your first time tuning in, please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share so other people can get this amazing information. So with all that being said, let us dive straight into this video. If you're someone that has been struggling with low views, no subscribers, and all of those things that get us discouraged as a small YouTuber, this particular update will definitely cheer you up. Okay, so let me just read what is there. It is it said the next 20. You know, YouTube just clocked 20 years, and they are just putting things in place, you know, putting one and two to make sure that their creators are actually enjoying the platform, and also the people that are using the platform are also enjoying the platform. So it says the next 20, powering the future of entertainment together as made on YouTube. Okay, so it said 20 years ago, YouTube launched with the idea that everyone should have the opportunity to create and find a global stage. Since then, we've seen creators shape culture and entertainment in ways we never thought. Anyone with an idea, whether an individual, artist, studio, or brand, can become a creator here. Sounds interesting, right? And we help them run their ideas into business. We've paid over $10 billion to creators, artists, media companies globally over the last 4 years. Imagine $10 billion. You know, YouTube is the highest paying platform. Okay, YouTube is the platform that pays creators higher, if I'm not mistaken. I don't think TikTok is number one. I think YouTube is number one. Okay, so you can see that whatever you're doing, whether you're an artist, whether you're just here to tell your story, whether you're just here to, you know, just do anything, create images with AI or whatever you want to do on YouTube, as long as you own your camera to record yourself and post it here on YouTube, you will actually make money from that particular content when you eventually monetize that particular channel. And you know, the beautiful thing about YouTube monetization is that anytime you monetize your YouTube channel, you might have been creating content since 3 years ago, 4 years ago. Anytime you monetize your channel and those contents get fresh views, you will start making money from those contents. Unlike I'm a monetized content creator on X, and we don't have the privilege of this kind of thing that YouTube is doing, that whatever you put out here, you will actually make money from it. If you put 10 videos out on YouTube, you are eligible to make money from those 10 videos. Okay, this is huge and massive. I saw this the first time on YouTube. It is not like that on other platforms. Okay, so just look at what YouTube is saying. In the last 4 years, $10 billion. My viewers, do you know what $10 billion is? Yes, I've seen creators that make thousands. I'm talking about housewives, people that don't even do so much here on YouTube. They just put out their content and they make huge money from this platform. So if you are here already creating content, you have to continue, because this has even sparked hope in my mind, has sparked hope in me that there is hope for me on YouTube. The first information in this update is new short creation tools that YouTube is introducing. You remember a few months ago, I think 2 months ago, when the whole YouTube community was shaking that YouTube wants to stop paying faceless channels creating content with AI. You know, YouTube has come to say, oh, that is not what we said though. And in this update today, now they've rekindled hope in the hearts of the faceless channels. You know, they said new short creation tools. Today at Made on YouTube, we are introducing new products and innovations to power the next decade of creation, connection and business on YouTube. So it says, tell your story your way. And they said you can use AI. You can actually read through this article. It is on your what is it called now, on your YouTube studio. It is there. So he said we've started integrating Google DeepMind's VO3 fast into YouTube Shorts, so you can easily create videos, background or clip with sound for free. This is really amazing. So in summary of this first one, which is creating content with Shorts, it says we see AI as the next evolution of these tools designed to empower human creativity and storytelling. But make no mistake, no studio, network, tech company or AI tool will own the future of entertainment. That power belongs to the creators. Do you get? So it means that AI will not take credit for the work that you do. So while you're creating with AI, make sure that there is a touch of originality on your content. You know, this is really amazing. I am really happy about this because this has really rekindled hope in the heart of the faceless channels that create their content using AI. Okay, but while creating your content using all these AI tools, make sure that there is a touch of originality on your content so that you will not have any issues in the future. That is really interesting, but as interesting as that may sound, that particular update is not for everybody, because as you know, a lot of creators no longer post shorts on their channel, or a channel that posts long form videos will have a separate channel for their short videos. Do you understand? And that is because the algorithm for short and the algorithm for long, it is not the same thing. The algorithm does not treat both content the same way. Do you understand? The audience for short is different from the audience for long. So if you're a channel that is focused on creating short content, you just had your big news right there. Okay, but this next one is really amazing because this one is for everybody. There is no YouTuber on this YouTube that doesn't go live. So this next one is for streamers, and it says streaming the creative process, and it says creators already use the YouTube studio for deeper insight and inspiration for what to create next. You know, when you go to your YouTube studio, you see what to create next. It is always there. You know, that place where YouTube say insight, or if you click on your analytics, there's a place YouTube will tell you ideas for you, and from there you can decide what you want to create next. So that is what it's talking about. We are now adding a new suite of tools designed to be a true creative partner across every phase of creation journey. Okay, that's in your YouTube studio. You know, it now said the first one is create collaboration with other creators to expand your reach. That's one. Or gather insight from our new conversational tools. Ask Studio to better optimize your channel. Get ready for A and B testing for titles. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Like, I have to take a pause for this one. You know, for titles, tab and upgrades to auto dubbing. This is really exciting. My goodness. Now, YouTube is not here to play, guys. YouTube is not here to play, and you should take advantage of these updates that YouTube is dishing out to us. And finally, we are expanding our likeness dictator tool, which allows creators to dictate, manage videos made with AI using their facial likeness. Oh my God. Coming soon to all YouTube partner program creators. Okay, this one is for the monetized accounts. Okay, and you can read more on that. This is really exciting. I won't lie to you. This is really exciting. And if you are here, you are a YouTuber, you need to take advantage of all these updates that YouTube is dishing out to us, because it will really help us. And if you don't know how to implement all of this into your YouTube channel, you can ask questions. You can leave your questions on the comment section, and we'll put heads together and know how this can benefit your channels. Then the next update here is concerning live stream too. It said new live updates. YouTube is reinventing formats to build stronger connections. Do you understand this? He said, we are bringing creators and their fans closer by reimagining TV formats and driving today's culture. And he went further to say, live content drives unparalleled interactivity and connection. On average, over 30% of daily logged in YouTube viewers watch live content in Q2 2025 alone. Today we are making our largest upgrade to live ever by introducing new ways to connect with existing fans, reach new audience, and better monetize live streams. There's another article where you can read if you want to read. It said the past few years have been podcast cultural relevance transformed through video. We are bringing new tools to help podcast creators reach and connect with their audience more deeply. These features will help podcasters easily create engaging video clips. So if you are a creator that creates podcasts, you can take advantage of this. If you are a creator that goes live, you can take advantage of this. All this is for our improvement. It is for artists. He said, supercharging, fostering connections between artists and their fans. This is so exciting. On YouTube Music, you will see options to count down to upcoming new releases and pre-save your favorites. And across YouTube, we are building tools that let artists reward and connect with their top fans through exclusive merch, thank you videos, behind the scenes clips, and others. And the next one here is the last one. Like, this is the best one on all of these updates. Like, YouTube saved the best for the last. Okay, is new ways to earn on YouTube, building brands to create relationships. He said, we are adding updates to brand deals and shopping to make brand collaborations easier than ever. We are accelerating these deals through a new initiative and new products features to make sure those partnerships succeed, like the ability to add a like to a brand site in short, and YouTube shopping to expanding to more markets and merchants and getting help from AI to make tagging easier. Then learn more. You can actually read more about it. So this is all about this update. So guys, this is really exciting. You know, when I started this video, I told you that there is something for everyone, whether you are a monetized or not monetized, whether you are an artist, whether you are a faceless channel, whatever your niche is, whatever you do on YouTube, as long as you are a creator on this platform, there is definitely something for you. Okay, so every day YouTube is trying out ways to make this platform the best platform in the whole world, and right now it is, though, YouTube is the best #1 platform on earth. Yeah, it's the best platform known. Okay, maybe there are some we don't know, but it's the best known platform currently. Yes, a lot of people are flooding this platform to make ends meet from this platform. And if you're watching this video and you have not started creating content on YouTube, I don't know what you are waiting for. Is it that you don't like money? Is it that you don't have things to post on this YouTube? So you need to go and start creating content. Okay, so in conclusion, if you are a small YouTuber that has been struggling with views, you've been struggling with getting subscribers, you've been struggling to get relevance on YouTube, or you feel stuck, I would advise you to just look out for when these updates will be implemented, because I'm sure that it is going to be implemented very soon. I mean, the ones that have not already been implemented, then you take advantage of them. But if you are confused, probably you don't understand everything that I've said in this video, you can go ahead and read the articles yourself and understand. And even after reading the articles, if you feel you still want to ask questions, or there are some places that you don't understand that are not clear to you, you can drop me a question. You can drop it on the comment section and I'll do well to reply to you. I hope you got value from this particular video. If you do, please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share so other people can get this amazing information. Thank you so much for watching and staying with me to the end of this video. I will definitely see you in my next one.